Hello, my name is Rolmer, and today I am going to talk about my daily routine. From Monday to Friday, I usually wake up early in the morning. I start my day by brushing my teeth and having breakfast. After that, I go to work where I begin my shift at 8 a.m. I stay focused and productive through the morning. In the afternoon, I continue working until 4 p.m. Once I finish, I go back home, take a shower, and relax for a short time to recharge my energy. In the evening, I attend university at 6 p.m., where I study electrical and power engineer at UTP. I really enjoy my classes because they help me develop my professional skills. After finish my classes, I return home, rest, and go to bed. Overall, although my routine can be demanding, I feel mo- motivated because I am working towards my future goals. Thank you for your attention. That's all for today.